Using the best electrical tools not only shows professionalism, but also keeps electricians safe and protected from accidental situations. So if you're an electrician by trade or love tinkering with wires, this video has some of the best tools for you. Let's take off with something every electrician will love to have: the KAIWEETS HT100S non-contact voltage tester. This tool will help electricians detect live wires without touching them while keeping them safe from getting shocks. This pen-type handy tool features an NCV inductive probe that detects AC voltage simply by placing the tip near a terminal, outlet, or cord. Just place it there. If it glows red and beeps, there's voltage. Additionally, it has a dual range for standard and low voltage, and it automatically shows the voltage level on a bar graph. In terms of safety, it meets CE requirements and has an IEC rating of Cat 3 1000V and Cat IV 600V. It also alerts you to high voltage above 90V by turning the screen red and showing a safety symbol. Furthermore, the compact design includes a bright LED flashlight for working in dark areas, a low power indicator, and an automatic power-off feature. So it's got some versatility too. Next up, we have the Klein Tools RT390 Circuit Analyzer. This is an essential tool for electricians who always take on commercial projects. This circuit analyzer helps you quickly test and diagnose wiring conditions at electrical outlets. With a large, easy-to-read color LCD screen, it displays results for wiring faults, AC line voltage, AFCI and GFCI devices, and voltage drop tests. This tool is especially useful for detecting common wiring issues, including dual faults like open, neutral, open ground, which can be tricky to identify. For AFCI and GFCI devices, it not only inspects them, but also provides trip time and trip current. On top of that, it automatically powers off after 5 minutes of inactivity, which conserves the battery life. And it also features a detachable cord that makes storing and transporting much more hassle-free. Electricians often have to work on live parts, which involves a great risk. That's why Wiha made this Torque key. It's a must-have tool for electricians who never want to overlook their safety and work precision. This tool is ideal for fastening components onto bus bars and junction boxes, thanks to its 10-degree switching angle and dual rotation directions for controlled tightening. You can easily set the required torque value by pulling out and turning the handle end to match the numeric scale. The ball fastener ensures a secure hold for nut drivers on the 3/8-inch square drive. You'll appreciate the excellent feedback and the noticeable snapback when the preset torque value is reached. So you can confidently work on live parts up to 1000 volt AC. The Milwaukee M12 and M18 cable strippers are essential tools for commercial electricians. You can get any of them, but having both of them won't be bad at all. These tools are designed to ease the cable stripping process. Unlike using knives, these cordless strippers offer enhanced safety with no exposed blades, ensuring a secure stripping experience. Their compact, right-angle design allows for easy maneuverability in tight and awkward spaces, reducing strain on the wrist during prolonged use. What sets these strippers apart is their precision and consistency. They feature a bushing design and adjustable depth gauge that ensure cleaner and more accurate strips across a wide range of cable sizes. Whether you're working with Milwaukee bushings or compatible quick change options from other brands, these tools maintain reliability and efficiency. They're ideal for professionals who demand high performance and durability when stripping cables on site. This Fluke 1000 FLT pocket tester is a must-have tool for those who need to verify lighting operations swiftly. Its one-handed design allows for quick checks of 5 essential circuit parameters in just 30 seconds. Simply extend the robust metal probe, connect to wires, and the indicator light confirms live power with audible alerts for faulty wiring. Featuring built-in GFCI and continuity checks, electricians can efficiently validate luminaire function on the go, even enduring drops from a 6-foot ladder thanks to its heavy-duty construction. The compact size, simple one-button operation, and tough polycarbonate case make it ideal for troubleshooting fixtures between installations, saving time, and ensuring reliable testing in any job setting. If you're a professional electric guy, you will always want to keep your tool collection as simple as possible. That's why we have this hammerhead screwdriver on this list. Though, this tool has a small size that can beat any of its competition. You might be used to screwdrivers just for screws, but imagine one that also brightens dim spaces, strips wires, and detects live circuits. That's what the hammerhead rechargeable tool does. It even has a cool feature, a twist for forward or reverse mode. When you need to trace circuits, there's an onboard light and buzzer that alerts you to live electricity. Plus, its built-in wire stripper works as well as standalone tools. All in all, it's a versatile tool that every electrician would find handy on the job. For those who frequently need to find studs, the Franklin Pro Sensor M150 is the ultimate tool. It swiftly locates hidden metal and wooden studs using 9 precision sensors, far more than the typical 1 or 2 found in other stud finders. The best part of the tool is, it requires no setup or calibration. All you have to do is just press and hold the button to instantly detect studs. Plus, it comes with 15 LED indicators that make it easy to pinpoint the center and edges of studs effortlessly. Powered by efficient AAA batteries, it offers long-lasting runtime, ensuring you can install cabinets, hang picture frames, and mount flat-screen TVs with unmatched accuracy. When you're in the market for picking up the best stripper, make sure you don't skip the Knipex 13728 Forged Wire Stripper. This is one of the best tools for electricians in the US market. It efficiently strips 10 to 20 AWG solid and stranded wires, featuring a unique non-threading screw cutting capability. Just push the screw in and cut, from either the front or back. Made from high-grade special tool steel, this durable tool is designed to handle tough jobs with ease. So we can say it's a reliable choice for professional electricians who never compromises on the precision of wire stripping and screw cutting on the job. So that's all. Thanks for watching our video. We hope you enjoyed discovering some of the latest and greatest tools. If you want to stay updated on the newest releases, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell. See you next time.